Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to DPS online classes. I am Priha Asghar, SS Computer at Divinal Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Students, today we will continue chapter number 3, List and Images in HTML5. Students, in your last lesson, you have learned about some text properties and font properties. Before starting our today's lesson, I want to take some preview of the previous knowledge. What is the default value of font size property? Students, the default value of font size property is medium. What is the purpose of text decoration? Text decoration property specifies the decorations that are added to the text, underlining, line through, etc. Its values are overline and underline. What is the function of font style property? Students, font style property specifies the style of the font. Its values are normal, italic and oblique. What are the possible values of text align property? Students, text align property is used to align the text in a specific position. Its possible values are left, right, center and justify. So students, today we will learn about margin properties, border properties and background properties in HTML5. Students, there are different margin properties available in HTML5. First property is margin. This property sets all the margin properties in one declaration, that is margin bottom, margin left, margin right and margin top. You can give all the values in a single declaration. You can also use margin bottom property. This property sets the fixed bottom margin of an element in pixels, points and centimeters. Students, its default value is 0 pixels, but you can set its value such as 10 pixel, 5 pixel according to the requirement. Third property is margin left. It sets the left margin of an element in pixels, points and centimeters. Its default value is 0, but you can also set its value in pixels. Margin right sets the right margin of an element in pixels, points and centimeters. You can also give its length, but its default value is 0 pixels. Students, margin top property sets the top margin of an element in pixels, points and centimeters. You can give its length, but its default value is 0 pixels. You can give its length as 3 cm or 10 pixels or 50 pixels, etc. Students, there are some border properties used in HTML5. First one is the border. It sets all the border properties in one declaration, such as border width, border style, border color. You have to give the values of border width, that is in the form of pixels, border style and border color. Border width specifies the width of the border. It could be thin, medium, thick, or you can define the length of the border in pixels. Border style specifies the style of the border. It should be none, dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset or outset. All these are the values for border style property. Border color specifies the color of the border. Students, you can give color name or you can also give the color value. Okay. There are some background properties available in HTML5. You can specify a background color in an HTML document. Background color specifies the color of the background. You can give color name or you can also give color value. Background image specifies the background image. Students, by using this property, you can give an image as the background of your HTML document. For this, you have to write the URL of the image. Background position. It specifies the initial position of the background image. Either it is left top, left center, left bottom, right top, right center, right bottom, center top, center center, or center bottom. We can also give its position according to x-axis and y-axis, that is x% and y%. Background attachment. Background attachment specifies whether the background image is fixed or scrolls when the user scrolls the rest of the page. Its value should be scroll or fixed. Students, background repeat property specifies whether the background image is repeated or not. If you want to repeat the image, then we can use its value as repeat. If we want to repeat the image along x-axis, then we can use repeat x. But if we want to repeat the image along y-axis, then we should use its value as repeat y. Otherwise, we can use no repeat. Students, in order to understand these properties, we see some examples. Students, to understand these properties, now we see some examples written in HTML. Students, here we write a program in Notepad in HTML5. It starts with doc type HTML element. Students, you know that this element is used to specify an HTML document. Then starting HTML tag, head tag, title, and then we have to give style type. In body tag, there is background color property is used. Okay, border property is used. Here border style is grow. Its width is 10 pixels and its color is purple. Then we use here margin property. You can see that all the margins are specified in one declaration. Top margin, right margin, left margin and bottom margin. Here is border style, that is inset. Border width is 10 pixels. Border color green. Font family Arial. Font size X large, means extra large. Font color is red. And text align is center, so that our text is aligned in the center of the page. For heading, we use some margin properties as margin top is 10 pixels, margin right is 50 pixels, margin bottom 10 pixels, margin left 20 pixels, border style outset, border width 10 pixels, border color is pink, font family Arial, font size X large, color blue, and text line property we used here and its value we give here is center. So we write here Pakistan is an agricultural country and Pakistan Zindabad. Students, when we open this document in our browser, then you can see that here background color is applied, that is yellow. Here is a border applied around the page. That border is groove and its width is 10 pixels and its color is purple. Pakistan is an agricultural country. The border around this text is green, okay, and its style is inset. Its width, which is given here, that is 10 pixels. Its color is green. Students, here this margin 200 pixel is the margin from this top border. If we change the value of the margin, save, refresh the browser, you can see that the top margin is decreased now. If we can make it 100 pixels, save, refresh the browser, you can see that now this top margin is changed now. In the same way, we can also change the left margin. Save, refresh the browser, you can see that margin is changed now. In the same way, students, you can see that by giving margin top value 50, save, refresh the browser, you can see that the value of the margin is changed now. Save, refresh the browser. Students, here is the border applied around this text written here Pakistan Zindabad in blue color. Students, I applied here background color on, you can see on the screen that I applied here background color yellow in this program. You can also add background image here by writing its URL here, and you can also specify the background position and background attachment here. So students, we have used here all the margin properties and border properties, and we have also used here background property. So you can now better understand how we can use all these properties in an HTML document. This HTML program helps you to better understand all the properties used in HTML5. So students, in today's lesson we have discussed about margin properties, that is margin, margin left, margin top, margin right and margin bottom. We have also discussed some border properties here, that is border, border color, border width, border style, etc. Some background properties are also used in HTML5. You can give background color in your HTML document. You can also specify an image as background of your HTML program. You can fix your background position. You can also set your background attachment, and you can also use background repeat property. So students, that's all about today's lesson. There is an assignment for you. Question number 1 is, what is the purpose of margin property? What are its possible values? What is the function of border property? Which are its values? And why we use background properties? Thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz.